Are you looking for a SSD with heatsink? In this video, I will show you the best SSD with heatsink in 2021 based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The fifth product on the list is the Connectors M.2 2280 SSD Low-Profile Heatsink. The Connectors M.2 2280 SSD Low-Profile Heatsink kit features some amazing tech, including the low-profile SSD to work around tight spaces. Aluminum alloy fins for optimal heat dissipation works on motherboards or M.2 adapters. Easy installation with thermal pad silicone rings included to secure heatsink specifications/contents. So even if you've never used a product like this before, they've made it easy to use. The fourth product on the list is the EKWB EK-M.2. EK-M.2 NVMe Heatsink is a passive heatsink for M.2 NVMe next-generation form factor SSDs. It is a much-needed aesthetical and functional heatsink for many PC owners. It is not a secret that M.2 NVMe SSDs can overheat very easily and be subdued to thermal throttling, thus losing performance. The heatsink brings 7 to 30 degrees Celsius improvement in SSD's temperatures, or even more with sufficient airflow. The unique design of the heatsink ensures that it is easy to install, it is low profile, easily reusable, and aesthetically not intrusive. Simple clips ensure that the heatsink is very easy to install and to reuse if the SSDs is upgraded. Its simple design ensures a sleek, non-intrusive look that can be easily combined with any aesthetical requirement of the user. The compact design makes it highly compatible so that it does not interfere with other components. The third product on the list is the M.2 M.2 2280 SSD Heatsink. Adopt double-sided cooling, aluminum alloy groove design, greatly increase the heat dissipation area, with 10 to 30 degrees Celsius cooling effect. Cool your M.2 SSD to a safe temp to avoid overheating and throttling, improving the performance of your computer. It's easy to install with double-sided clip design, 6 adjustable height screws, suitable for M.2 SSD of various heights, stable installation, better protection of your M.2 SSD. Advancing Gene thermal pad is made from nano-silicon grease material, with good thermal conductivity ability. Soft enough and good ductility, compatible with uneven surfaces of the M.2 SSD. Low viscosity, with no damage to the SSD label. The second product on the list is the Sabrent M.2 Rocket Heatsink SB-HTSS. The Sabrent NVMe M.2 SSD to PCIe card with aluminum heatsink is the perfect solution for faster transfer speeds. Enjoy extremely fast transfer speeds via PCIe lanes. The Sabrent M.2 2280 SSD Rocket Heatsink, SB-HTSS, is the ultimate solution for your SSD heat management needs. NVMe PCIe extreme speeds generate excessive heat. To help dissipate the heat, Sabrent has developed a state-of-the-art heatsink using the winning combination of aluminum and copper metals. The copper is used to absorb the heat from the drive, spreading it up to the grooved aluminum surface of the heatsink. This gives the heat more surface for efficient cooling, which in turn avoids thermal throttling and maximizes the performance of your drive. Winning combination of copper and aluminum for maximum performance. Compatible with single/double-sided M.2 2280 SSDs. The first product on the list is the Thermalright M.2 Heatsink Cooler. Specially designed for desktop computers, this M.2 SSD heatsink compatible with all single-sided type. Perfectly fit for Samsung 860 EVO, 960 EVO, 970 EVO, 970 Pro, etc., but does not fit IDX motherboard. With 10 to 20 degrees Celsius cooling effect, cool your M.2 2280 SSD to a safe temp to avoid overheating and throttling, improve your computer's performance. Alloy aluminum oxidation greatly improves the corrosion resistance, hardness, or resistance, insulation, heat resistance of the cooler, and prolongs the service life. Overall, this makes it the best available product. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.